If you're interested in recycling pallets, pay attention because in this video you'll see how to make a fantastic shelf, a nice herb garden, a perfect sofa for your house, a great table that's so useful, and a modern LED pallet wall. So sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. In this video, you'll see how to make an easy pallet shelf without the hassle of finding and disassembling an actual pallet. See how this worker measures, cuts, and places more pieces of wood to be used. It's not that difficult. The last step is to place the shelf on the wall. The results are fantastic. You can also paint it any color that you like. Ready to start your own garden? Well, we've got the perfect DIY project for you. Today we're going to use an old shipping pallet to make an herb garden that will be an amazing and chic addition to your backyard. In just a few simple steps, you can transform the pallet into an incredible herb garden. It's wonderful to watch the transformation process. The last step is to plant your favorite plants in your pallet garden. As you can see, we've got some impressive results. Do you dare to make your own pallet garden? In this video, you'll see how to make an outdoor corner sofa using some pallets. Pay careful attention to what this worker is doing. You need to measure, cut, and assemble every piece to create the sofa. surface finish is so important as it makes the sofa even more beautiful. And here we've got our results. What do you think? making a pallet table? Well, pay attention because in this video you'll learn how to make it happen. To cut and hammer the wood, it will be super easy. In just about 4 hours of work, you can get the job done. The results couldn't be better. As you can see, the table we've got here is strong and sturdy. It's fantastic. If you want to learn how to make a pallet sofa for your terrace step by step, check this out. This time you'll only need 2 pallets to do it. Start by collecting a few wooden pallets that are recycled or new. After sanding the pallets, apply a satin varnish to add extra protection. With this technique, you'll not only be able to make sofa out of pallets, but you'll also be able to build armchairs out of pallets too. So get your hands ready and get to work. You'll see how you can make an LED pallet wall and 2 thin shelves out of some reclaimed wooden boards. It's an easy DIY project that you can do with limited tools. Project carpentry work is important. If you have the necessary tools, it won't be difficult to get good results. After a few final touches, we've got our LED pallet wall. It's perfect for decorating any room. Do you dare to make one? Do you have some pallets and don't know what to do with them? Well, don't worry, because in this video you're going to see how to make a sofa using just pallets. With a little patience, you'll have to measure and cut the pieces for your sofa. It's easier than it looks. If you prefer a sofa with a unique style, you can paint it black. The results are fantastic. Do you want one? Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe, click like, activate notifications, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos.